ትላንትና ነው የጠፋው
እና አንተ ጋር ሎስት ኤንድ ፋውንድ እንትን ኦፊስ ነው ፓስፖርት ሲጠፋብን ፖሊስ ጋር ሄደን ነው ሪፖርት የምናደርገው እኔ ጋር አይደለም ሪፖርት የሚደረገው እኔም
ሪፖርት አልተደረገም ኦል ኦፍ ሰደን ትላንትና ነው ምንድነው አቲቲዩድ ይዘሽ የመጣሽው
አቲቲዩድ አይደለም አም ወርኪንግ
ዲናይ ወርኪንግ ላይ ምንድነው ያዙኝ
No, I respect you. That's why I accepted you. You know.
No, we were waiting for a long time.
No, I have over 20 requests. መጥቶልኝ አንተን ብቻ ጋር ነው የመጣሁት። እሺ እሱን አልሪስፔክት
ነገርሽ ነው። ሂጂ ሌላ ቦታ መሄድ ትችያለሽ ከፈለግሽ።
ቲናዬ ቆይ አንዴ ዮኒ
እኔ ላይ
እኛ አሁን ቲናዬ ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው ፕሊዝ። እሺ እሱም እየጠበቀሽ ነበረ። ይሄ ሁሉ ህዝብ ቁጭ ብለን እኔም እንቅልፍ ሳልተኛ ሌሊቱን ዮኒም ሳይተኛ ቁጭ ብለን ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው በቃ።
ዳኛው needs to calm down first. I'm scared ካደረጋችሁኝ ይወጣልኝ. I don't have to explain my life. This is my life, my daughter and my life. I don't need to bring it to outside.
No, ልጅሽማ አንቺ መፍትሄ ስላልሰጠሻት ነው እኛ ጋር የመጣችው.
Oh, really? After 21 years አንተ ጋር መጣች? እሺ. What's wrong with Daisy? Daisy, you know I love you.
Listen to me please. እኔ ላውራ አንድ ጊዜ ዮኒ ቁጭ ብሎ ዮኒ እስካሁን ድረስ እሷን ራሱ ዴዚን ራሱ በጣም እንትን እያላት ነበረ። እናትሽ ማክበር አለበት ልጁም ስላንቺ he's got your back በጣም ብዙ ሲያወራልሽ ነበር እና አሁን መተሽ ፕሊዝ እንደ ሚስ አንደርስታንዲንግ ሊሆን ይችላል he's got your back አሁን እሱ የሚፈልገው እኔም የምፈልገው ሁላችንም ሰላም እንዲመጣ ነው። at the end of the day you are እናትና ልጅ ናችሁ። ስለዚህ ጀንወን የሆነ ነገር ነው ይዘን የመጣ ነው። ሰላም እንዲወርድ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ያንቺን ጎራ ይዘው የእሷን እንትን ብለው ከዘርም ጋር ሊያገናኙት የሚፈልጉ ብዙ ሰዎች አሉ። ስለዚህ at the end of the day you guys are family, let's fix this.
I know
እና በጥሩ መንፈስ ነው እና ይኸውልሽ እዚህ ጋር ጥሩ ነገር ይዞ ነው የመጣው። ስለዚህ እኛም ደግሞ ያንን ነው የምንፈልገው። እሺ
no problem ግን ይሄ እኮ የኔና የሷ ፋሚሊ እሺ ነው ብዙ ነገር ቤታችን ነው የምፈጣው። ለምን ራስ
አክስትሽም አውርቻታለሁ የሷን አክስቷን ሳውራት ፕሊዝ የራሷን ላይፍ ዴዚ መኖር ትፈልጋለች።
ማንም ያዛት
አንዴ ልጨርስና መናገር ትችያለሽ አይደል? ገና ከመጀመሪያ አፋፋት ላይ ምንድነው ያለችው? መኖር ትፈልጋለች በራሷ ላይፍ የራሷን ህይወት መኖር ትፈልጋለች። ስለዚህ አሁን አፓርትመንት ልትከራይ ስትል አንቺ ምንድን ያደረግሽው? ለዛ ሴትዮ ደውለሽ ትሬት ያደረግሻል። ልጄን ትወስጂብኛለሽ ኪድናፕ አደረግሽ ብዬ ደውዬ አስይዝሻለሁ ብለሻል አይደለም?
አላልኳትም። I have a voicemail that's a lie because the lady herself ደውላ ዴዚን እኔ I don't ሰብ ሊስ ነቻለች። ሰብ ሊስ ማድረግ አልችልም ግን ስራው ክፍት ነው። ቮይስሜል አለኝ ክፍት ነው ስራውን ትስራ ስትል ከዚህ 1 hour ማን ነው እየነዳት የሚሄደው ኤቭሪ ዴይ ዌር ከባልቲሞር ዲሲ ማን ነው የሚመላለሰው? ለዛ አይነት ስራ ደግሞ እዚህ ቅርባችን ክሎስ አለ ብለን የተሰረዘው። አሁንም ቢሆን ሌላው ያላትን እኛውን ነገኝንለት this is just a normal family issue ነው. What is the big deal?
Okay, the other big deal I will talk to you about የአንቺ እህት ልትሆን ወይም አክስቷ የእሷ አክስት አንቺ በጥሩ ዴዚን እያየሻት እንዳልሆነ በጥሩ እንዳልሆነ
oh my god okay ዴዚ አክስት አጎት ዲፍረንሱን አታውቅም። ዜማ የምትለውን ዘመዴ ነች አክስቴ ልጅ ትላለች። ዜማን I never seen her ዜማ ዱርዬ ስምታበላሻት ልጅ እንደሆነች ነው የማውቀው ኦንላይን። ሜላትን I don't know her she's messed up የሚያደርጉት ግን እህቶቼ አክስቶቼ እያለች ለህዝብ ትናገራለች። that's not right.
okay ከማን ጋር ነው የምትኖረው?
100% my family my sisters brothers never talk to anyone on media. They don't go on media. They all work the government የሚሰሩት እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ጊዜ የላቸውም። I know you didn't talk so maybe she brought somebody on the stalk or what little thing that
you saying like that's not your aunt Daisy.
She's not.
No, Mariaman, Yoni Mariaman.
Who talked to him?
Mariaman. I swear to God, I swear to
God. Tell me who talked to him. Give me the
I'm not going to tell you, no.
That's it, that's not true then. Why are you hiding?
I don't want to bring our family to the...
Oh, really? You already did. Daisy.
So, okay, let me ask
No, I mean our other family.
No, you already did.
ልጠይቅሽ አንድ ነገር የእሷ የራሷን ላይፍ ለመምራት ምኑ ነው ለአንቺ የሚከብድሽ?
She's my daughter. I don't want ማንም ዝም እንትን ባለጌ እናቷን የሚሰድብ ሀገር የሚሰድብ ዘር የሚያስተምራት that's not I worked for. ዴዚን አገሯን ህዝቧን አክብራ እንድትኖር ራሱ ሰክሰስፉል ሆና እናቷንም እንድትጦር ህዝቡን እንድትጦር ነው አሳድጌ አድርጌ ያሳደኳት። መጥፎ ሰው ያውም እኔ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም። አንተ ራስህ አይደለህም እንዴ ልታስቀርቀው ዴዚ ቢኮዝ
Can we stop talking?
I'm a good listener. Let her talk.
But this is not about love, though. This is not about love.
No.
Daisy, let her finish. It's okay. Let her talk.
Love is the problem. Because your love is what caused all this. Daisy, please listen. It's good for you.
Let her talk, and I got an answer. Keep talking.
See, the guy himself. You were ሽማግሌ ሆነ ስታስታርቅ እንደማያፈቅራትም እንደማሆነ ሽምግልና ገብተህ አንተ ራስህ አንዴ ደና ተገላገልን ከሱ ስንል መልስ አስገናኝ አስታርቀሃቸዋል። ልጁ እንደማያፈቅራት እንደ ዱርዬ እንደሆነ ያወቅ አስታረካቸው። that's not right. I didn't accept. I mean appreciate that time በጣም አዝኜብህ ነበር። ግን it's okay. አንተ just media life ነው maybe temporary ነው ብለህ ይሆናል። ግን ልጁ ዴዚን አላፈቅራትም ላፈቅራትም አልችልም በህይወቴ ብሎ ዩቲዩብ ላይ ሰቅሎታል። እኔ ፈልጌ እንትን ላይ ፖስት አድርገዋለሁ ዛሬ ህዝብ እንዲሰማው። ማንኛው እናት ነው ያም ሲንግል ማም ሆኖ ያሳደጋትን ልጅ ለእንደዚህ አይነት ሰው ሂጂ ጉርላክ ብሎ የሚሄደው እንዴ? እኔን እኮ ትላንት ወጥቶ ለ21 ዓመት ያበላሻትን ትክሰስሽ ነው ምናምን ነገር አለ። የት እሱ 5 months ago ኦንላይን ስክሪን ለብሶ ገብቶ መልኩን አሳምሮ ላናገራት ሴት 1 ዓመት ሆነሽ ላደረገችሽ እና ዳይፐር ስላደረገች ነው ከሳሻት የሚለው? እንደዚህ አይነት ደደብ ጭንቅላት የሌለው ሰው እንዴት ብለህ ነው ልጅን ውሰድ የምትለው? ያም ሌላ ሀገር ወስዶ ማትመለስበት ደረጃ ልትሆን የምትችልበት ጥገኛ የሚኖር አዳፕት ሆኖ የሚኖር ልጅ he never
you don't have to bring up his personal life.
የሰባተኛ ክፍል ተማሪ አንድ ነገር there's no one thing good thing እኔ እንደሱ ብዬ አክሴፕት አላደርግም። ልጅ ከፈቀደች ግን ካፈቀረችው that's good. I will support her still. ሚስቴክም ቢሆን ሰርታ ቀበላታለሁ። አሁንም ቢሆን እኮ ኔክስት ላይፏ ስትሄድም እኔ ባካፋላል ሁሉም ነገ ይዘ ኔክስት ይር ስትረሳ እሷ ብቻን ስታለቅስ እኔ ነኝ መቀበላት። እኔ ነኝ for the rest of her life። እኔ ከማንኛውንም ሰው አፍቅራ ብትመጣ ደስታዬ ነው። ጊዜዋ ነው። አሁን ደግሞ ይዛቸዋት አትበል። 18 ሆና መውጣት ትችል ነበር። she knows what's good for her. She knows what's the best for her. She stayed. Daisy drives brand new 24 brand new car እየነዳች ነው። ላስት ይር ኢትዮጵያ ሄድ ነው ጋራጅ አቁመ ነው። ምንም የጎደለባት ነገር የለም። ልጅቷ ሃፒ ነች። አንዳንዴ ጨውባታለሁ። that's just ጥሩ ልጅ ለማሳደግ ዝም ብለህ አይደለም። it takes a lot of work. ገርፈህም ቆንጥጠህም ስንት ነገር ነው አዲስ አበባ የምናድገው። ተደብድበን ተገርፈን ምን ብለን ነው ትምህርት ቤት ጨርሰን የምንወጣው የምንማረው? ፋሚሊ እሱንም ቢሆን ተመስገን ብለን እንደገና መጦር እንጀምራለን። እሷ ገና የጮኩባትን የዛሬ 6 ዓመት 4 ዓመት እያመጣች እሱ ደግሞ አሁን በቅርብ ሲያነጋግራት ሮንግ ቲንግ ምለ ብዙ ነገር ማውራት አልፈልግም ነገሩ ዳት ሞመንት እሱ እየቀረጸ ነበር ድምጼን። እሱም የወዳት ከሆነ እንደዛ አይነት ነገር ለምን ይሰጣት ኤክስፖዝ ያደርጋታል ሚዲያ ላይ? ለምንስ እኔን ቴክስት እያደረገ ቮይስ እየላከ አንቺ ባለጌ አንቺ አሮጊት ልጅሽ ነው ስጄ እንዳርጌ ለአማራ ወረውራታለሁ ኦሮሞን ገና እንደፋዋለን ምናምን እንደዚህ አይነት ሰው እንዴት ነው ልጅን ጎፎርት ምላት እንዴ? ምንካ I just want the best for my daughter. That's it. አሁንም ቢሆን ነገም አለቅም። I'm gonna go look after her. እስከመሞት ድረስ I'll take care of you Daisy until I die. You know I love you. I know you're in love. And you know I understand you're in the age where we've been through that. But I don't want you to make a mistake in the worst place because you may never survive. Sometimes
no.
Daisy?
No. If you don't want to be completely honest with people, I don't think you should talk. I mean, if you don't want to say what you did as well, then, you know, like
I have a right to do anything I want.
Okay. That's good. That's fine.
It's okay. Take your time. If you love him, it's your choice. I will support you, but do it the right way. Not like you just saw him 5 months on the screen, TikTok. You don't risk your entire life to go see him.
Okay, again, Mom, listen, this is not about Jinjana or Fikr. I want freedom, that's all I'm saying. Like, this is, we should stop making this about relationship.
Okay.
It's not.
Daisy, you know, I work even last year. Let's forget about everything. Last year when you were 1 year we were in Ethiopia, but the year before that you were 19. I was working 2 jobs. You're open 24 hours. You have a car. You have the entire home. You could have done anything. Why wouldn't you run away then if nothing is good for you?
What do you mean?
It's not like
she was saying that she was working 2 jobs.
Yeah.
You were at home by yourself.
Yeah, I
If
was
you want
doing
to run
social
away,
media.
she said, if you want to run away, why don't you do it at the time?
I did not run away. I mean, the thing is, yes, I ran away, but that's my decision. Again, it's my decision.
She has no reason. Okay, so what I'm saying is...
አንዴ ቲና ተረድቼሻለሁ። ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽበት ነገር ብዙ ሰዎች አማክረውሽ ሊሆን ይችላሉ። እኔ ግን አንቺን ስከላከል ነበር። መንገድሽ
I have so many requests.
ገባኝ። እኔ ይኸውልሽ እኔ አንቺን እዚህ ሆኜ ስከላከል ነበር። እናቷን ዲስፔክት እያደረገ ልጇን ማፍቀር አይችልም እያልኩ ስከራከርልሽ ነበር። አትሰሚኝ የመጣሽው ገባሽ? ሀት ሆነሽ የመጣሽው ሌላ ነገር ብለው ነው። አሁን ልክ ነሽ። አሁን እንደማለት አንዴ አዳመጥኩሽ አይደል እንዴ? አዳምጪኛ። the entire times አዳምጥሽ ነበር። እንደ እናት ያሰብሽው አሁን የምትይው ነገር ስህተት የለው። ስህተት አላየሁበትም። አሁን የምትይው ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምትመኝላት፣ ጥሩ ነገር ነው የምታረግላት። yes ይሄን እስማማል። 2024 do you have a car 2024? ቆይ ዴዚን ነው የምጠይቃት። አንዴ ቲና do you have a car 2024? Brand new
2024, car? Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. Oh, yeah.
Okay, you do have that. So one thing I don't understand, some of the other people saying that she makes you starve to death. That's what they were saying.
Listen, this is people like...
She didn't say, Daisy didn't say that. But the other people were saying that Daisy was starving to death, but you drive in 2024 a brand new car.
And let me add something for you, Daisy. You know this is the honest in God's name. You know you have a cross on your neck, and there is a reason for that. You don't lie. Daisy, she eats like even very best diet. Like the fridge is full of organic food, the drink, everything selective. I work very little job, but it takes like almost 24 hours overnight, and then I come back 1 hour. And I get ready, I go back another 10 hours, 11. That's how I lived for almost. So,
okay, did I deny that?
No.
I'm sorry.
Did I deny that? That's what I'm saying. What does this have to like?
No, let me ask you, Daisy. Is your mom a hard worker?
Yes, she is, yeah.
Okay. If she's a hard worker, what she does that for? For you and her, right?
Well, yeah, of course.
Okay. That's the case. The reason you guys are here because of this man, right?
No, it's not. It's not just about him. This isn't just about like love. Like it's not.
Because there was no problem before that, though.
I had no freedom.
Freedom?
What's freedom?
Mom, I had no freedom.
Okay, I think one thing.
What freedom? Explain freedom to me. Explain freedom.
I mean, Mom, I respect you, but you have to understand you are forcing me to do social media.
Let her talk. Tina, please let her talk.
Yes.
Let Daisy talk, okay? Just listen to her for a minute. I'm going to mute you for a second, okay? Let her talk.
Let me just say, I'm the one, I'll say I'm the one, yeah, I started getting known on TikTok. Like, you know, the side Ayajibo, like I started getting known on TikTok, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, I asked my mom, yeah, let's go to Ethiopia. Maybe I could do business, you know, things like that. We stayed there 7 months. After 7 months, I was depressed. I was not okay. I didn't want to do social media anymore. Like I was physically tired of it, and I was begging my mom. I said, can we go back? Can I go back to school? Can I do this? She said, and mom, you know I respect you, but you told me I need to be rich and famous, have money for college, like, you know, I need that things, and then I go back to school. So as a 20-year-old, yeah, I came back by myself. And I have the right to.
But the first thing is what I'm going to ask you. You ask your mom to go to Ethiopia with her. You want to do YouTube. You want to be famous, right? You are the one.
Like, no, because we go as vacation sometimes. Like, we went 2023. We went 20, like, we...
Yeah, I understand. But as you say now, from what you said, you told us, you want to go to Ethiopia. You want to do YouTube. You want to do social media. You want to be famous. And your mom supports you with that. She went with you. Yeah. You become famous. Now you get bored. You change your mind.
Well, yeah, right? Because I wanted to focus on school. That's why.
I understand, but the first thing she was saying that before you got famous, she wanted that for you, right? She wants you to focus
she's
on
always
school,
wanted
right?
after me.
But you change your mind. Every time you change your mind, she doesn't have to accept sometimes. She gotta say something about it, right?
Well, yeah, but so what? Like, so you're saying that I should have stayed there, or what?
No, you guys should talk about. I know you begged her, but the first he said that I want to be famous, I want to make money, I want to do my own thing. So she fulfilled your dream. She went with you. You start that. You get bored. You are the one get bored, not her. She was following what you said. Now you change your mind and she has to do that again. So she has to rethink what you said. She has to start.
Yeah, but I have that right as an adult. Like, if I want to come back and go back to school, I can. Like, you know, that's
that. But you should be like, I apologize, Mom. I'm sorry. I told this what my future was. Unfortunately, I don't want this no more. I want to do school, but I apologize. That should count because she followed.
No, I am sorry.
You know what I mean? Tina, she said, I'm sorry for that. Do you accept her apology for it? Tina, ይቅርታ ያለች አንሚዩት አድርጊው። ክሊክ ስታረጊው የሚዩቱን በተን ክሊክ አድርጊው። ማይክሮፎን የሚለው አንሚዩት ያደርግሻል። ፕሮፋይልሽን ክሊክ አድርጊው። ኦኬ ይቅርታ ያንን ማድረግ አልነበረብኝም እያለች ነው።
Okay, so what happened is just a couple things to go back clear ለማድረግ እቺ ሜላት የሚሉት ብዙ ነገር እየተረጎመች ውሸት ታወራለች። በጣም እሷ ነች ቢያበላሽቻት I think wrong interpreter ቀጥራለች ይዛለች እና ያላለችውን የቀጠለች ታወራለች እና ያ ስለምግቡ ዴዚ ቅድም ስትጠይቃት I have not ፍሪጁ ሙሉ ነው 24/7 she eats a good meal ምናምን እያልኩ ስል አንተ እና ምግብ የለም ምናምን ስትላት I have not denied that አለች። አየህ እሱን አላለችም። that's clear ያደርጋውን ምግብ ችግር የለም ማለት ነው።
Yeah, you don't get food problem, right?
ሰውነቷንም ተመልከት።
You can tell about her body too, of course. የተራበች ልጅ አትመስልም።
She goes to gym every day to lose, even to watch her diet. She perfect. Daisy has no issue. I think, believe me, go get married ብላት በሱን ነው መሰለኝ ፍሪደም ፈልገው የምትለው።
I see. Okay, that part እሱን እናጥራው።
I think እሱ ነው
ምን እናደርግ መሰለሽ? ቆይ ቲና I know የእናት ፍራስትሬሽን አሁን አንደርስታንድ አድርጌያለሁ። መጀመሪያ ሚስ አንደርስቱድ ተደራርገናል። ግን አሁን ባለው ነገር ምነግርሽ ምንድነው አሁን ምን ማድረግ ይቻላል?
እሷ
ያንቺ እንደ እናት ካንቺ ነው መስማት የምፈልገውና ያንቺን ነገር ሰምቼ ሌላ ነገር ማድረግ አለብኝ።
እሺ እሱን ከመመለሴ በፊት 30 ሰከንድ ስለ ትምህርቷ እና በኢትዮጵያ ስንሄድ እኔ I didn't know she wanted to go so bad so I left with her and then እዛ ስንደርስ I didn't know already famous ሆናለች።
Okay.
እና our plan was እዛ ስንደርስ ሙዚቃ ቀርጸን 3 ዘፈን ቀርጸን ተመልሰን መተን ቶር ልናደርግ ነበረ US ውስጥ US ፕላናችን ውስጥ that was the plan. The reason I'm speaking English is for you. Most hopefully ብዙዎቻችሁ የምትመለከቱ 23000 ሰዎች I hope
ለኛ ነገሪንና ከዛ እኔ ነግራታለሁ። Don't worry.
Okay. እና So planaችን there was only record song and I come back here because I knew already እዚህ US ውስጥ ፌመስ ሆናለች እና በቃ ብዙ ኢትዮጵያን ኮሚኒቲ ሲጠይቀኝ ስለነበር ሄደን ዘፈን ቀርተን መተን ቶር ልናደርግ ነበር ፕላን። እዛ ስንደርስ unexpected እንትን ደረስን። ኤርፖርት ሁሉ ምድረ ማን እንደነገራቸው አላውቅም። ምድረ ካሜራ ፓፓራሲው ምኑ እየተከተሉን በቃ እንትኑ በዛ እና የኛን እንትን ብዙ ሰው ደግሞ ኮንታክት እያደረገኝ አድቨርታይዝመንት ምናምን ሲሉ እኔ ደግሞ ኦኬ ሌትስ ሆልድ ኦን ዘ ሙዚቃን ሆልድ እናድርገውና ሞር አዲስ አበባ ውስጥ ኮንተንት ሁን ፖፑላር ከሆነች ይጠቅመናል ብዬ እሱ ላይ አተኮርንና a few months ተቃጠለ። a few months wasted እና Daisy 3 months የተባለው it turned out to be like by the time we started recording the music it was like 6 months passed by already 6 ወር አልፏል መዘፈኑ ስንጀምር እና እሷ by that time she's already fed up with everything to famousነቱን አሰለቻት ብትሄድ ሁሉም ሰው አይወዳትም አንዳንድ ሰው ይሳደባል አንዳንድ ደግሞ ከሷ ጋር ፎቶ ለመንሳት ወንበር ይወረውርባታል ይመታታል መኪና ሁሉ አልፈው ሄደው ተመልሳ መታ የገጨቻት ሴትዮ አለች እና በጣም ዴዚ ተናዳ እንክሰስ ምናምን ነው ከዚህ ሀገር ማንን ከሰሰው ልንረዳ መተን እንደገና እንዴት doesn't make sense ላታል እንደዚህ 2-3 times በየሬስቶራንት ሁሉ ሊመርዛት ብዙ ጊዜ ብርጭቆ ውስጥ ጠርሙስ ከተይ ሰጣታል ምናምን እና she said mom what are you waiting for they trying to poison me wrong people ምናምን ስትል okay ካም በኋላ ጥሩ ቦታ እየሄድን እንበላለን እና ምናምንበት እሱ ነው እኔ ራሴ I'm learning to be famous I didn't know what to do እንደዚህ አይነት ነገር ውስጥ ገብቻ አላውቅም ትክክል እንደውም thanks to መንሱር እሱ ብዙ ነገር እነሱ አንዳንድ ታዋቂ ሰዎች ረድተውን እነሞን ቤታቸው ያበሰሉ የጠሩ እንደሱ ነው ሞር ኢንጆይ ያደረገው ሴፍ የሆነችው እና ከዛ ላስት ሚኒት ላይ I told her be patient we're gonna go but የመጣንበት አላማ ዘፈኑን መቅረጽ ነው
እሱን እኮ ብያለሁ
ያ ኦሮምኛው አለቀ አማርኛው እና ትግሬኛውን እየሰራን እኔ ፕሮዲዩሰሮች ምኖች እየተነጋገርን ሳለን አንድ ቀን መለሳለኝ she's gone and she was gone like that gone baby
okay mom now what everybody wants is peace I want peace right you want it too
right? Don't worry we will be fine you know
so
Tina what can we do what is the solution let me ask you mom wait Daisy ምንድነው solution የምትይው
እኔ Daisy I know you want to be married I think is that what it is I want clear argument
I'm 20 years old
okay then what do you want from me you tell me and me I think
I want you see your mom is asking Daisy your mom is asking
okay number one like I want him to apologize he will apologize to you can he if I bring him up can he apologize to you
he apologized many times and the next day አንቻሮጊት ገና ልጅሽን ደርጌ ልካታለሁ I don't know yes apologize doesn't mean anything
mom God forgives everybody right
it's not about that but my thing is Daisy let me tell you something no it doesn't matter he should not disrespect you mom
okay Ishi we understand that we've said that this entire life
okay let me ask you did he say it one time or he did it again and again tell me
I don't know what happened I don't know what happens between her and him I know she says things to him he says things to her she says oh he did this with his sister he says this to her this it's both of them it's both of them listen mom listen can I talk please mom please
okay let her talk Tina for 1 minute please
it's like I know you're my mom you should never be disrespected by anyone
Thank you.
For social media I don't know these people I don't know who says things to you that's not my problem I can't control people say things to me but I know it's not your fault but I'm saying yes I know you guys said like things to each other you said this you reported him to this he did this to you both of you guys are like this so I want him to apologize to you so I'm asking you can he come up and apologize to you
Is this a friendship or a marriage plan? No, it does matter. If he's gonna be
as a mother, it matters, Daisy. It does matter. That's your mother. It matters to her.
Yeah, if it is just friendship, immediate friendship, go ahead. Of course.
Absolutely, she need to know.
Yeah, if it is a marriage, it's not only me. የኢትዮጵያ ህዝብ ማወቅ ይፈልጋል. People want to know.
Nobody's married. Mom, I'm not married.
As a mother.
I'm not married. I'm not married. I don't know why we're talking about marriage. I'm not married.
You're on that road, and I want you to focus on getting to know a better person, or take time to look. You saw him on the screen. There are many TikTokers you saw, and when we went.
Okay, why don't you like him again? Sorry.
It doesn't matter.
Like before, before the everything that happened. Why don't you like him?
ብዙ ነገር አጻፊ ከስር ምንም የሚጠቅም
Yeah, please, Mela, please don't say anything to my mom from now on.
Can you
Please.
tell Mela to stop writing? የማይረባ ነገር አጻፊ ምንድነው የምትጠቀም?
It's Mela's
ልጅ አይደለች አይደል እንዴ? ምንድነው በዚህ ደረጃ ያዙኝ ልቀቁኝ የምትይው? ሜላት that's not right. በእናትና በልጅ መካከልማ መግባት የለብሽም ሜላት። እንዴ ይደብራል እኮ የምትጽፊውን ነገር ሺህ ጊዜ ላልፍሽ ሞከርኩ። በእናትና በልጅ መካከል አንቺ ምን ይመለከትሻል? ለመስደብ ብዙ ነገር የምታረጊው ኧረ አይነፋም። ኖ ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል ሞዴሬተር ብሎክ እንዳታረጓል። ግን ሜላት በዚህ ነገር መግባት የለብሽም። የሚመለከት እናትና ናቸው። እናትና ልጅ ይነጋገር። አንቺ ገብተሽ ከነሱ በላይ አውቃለሁ ማለት that's not right.
የዴዚን ባንክ አካውንት ወደዛ አዙራለች። እሷ ሴትዮ በእሱን ተበሳጭታ ነው ጉዳት አውቆባት ነው ባለ Daisy, okay, promise me if you want me to accept him, don't travel sometime soon. You planning to go? That I have a problem with that. Ethiopia ህዝብ እዚህ ያደረሱሽ እነሱ ናቸው። እሱ ኢትዮጵያን ህዝብ እንድትጠይ ነው ያደረገው። ኢትዮጵያ እኔ ዴዚ ከኔ ጋር እስከሆነች ድረስ ኤርትራ፣ ኦሮሞ፣ ጉራጌ፣ ትግራይ ብላ አታውቅም። ሁሉንም ኢትዮጵያ ብላ ነው። ከሱ ጋር መጀመር ስትጀምር ቀኑ ሙሉ ስልክ ላይ ያውላታል መሰለኝ። ኢትዮጵያ እንድትጠላ አደረጋት። የኢትዮጵያ ዘፈን እንዳዘፍኝ አላት፣ ኦሮሞ እንዳዘፍኝ አላት እና በሙሉ ዲሊት አደረገው። ዘፈኗን ሁሉ አስቀራት። ዘፈን አልፈልግም ማለት
ቆይ ምን አረግ መሰለሽ እናቷን ቆይ ቲና ያለችው እውነት መሆኑና ለመሆኑን ፔጇ ላይ የዴዚ ፔጅ ላይ ገባና የአማርኛ ዘፈኖች የምን ዘፈኖች ከጠፉ የኦሮምኛ ዘፈኖች ምናምን የጉራጌኛ ከጠፉ we got a problem. Daisy, what I'm saying is, I'm going to check on your page. Tina, Andy, I'm going to check on your page. If you delete Amharic music, if you delete Oromo music, if you delete Gurago music, then there's an issue. He's doomed.
Wait, what are you guys talking about? I don't understand. Like, this is, I asked a question. I said, can he come up and apologize? I don't know what we're talking about, tribes and stuff. I don't understand.
What she was saying.
Mom, listen, can
wait for a minute. Tina, wait for a minute. Let me explain to Daisy. Daisy, after she's with him, she used to love all Ethiopian with no differences. She used to love Ethiopia with no differences. She play all kind of music. She get along with everybody. Once she start with him, he is not doing any kind of other music. Don't get along with a lot of them except his own. That's what she does.
No, I want to just say something. See, this is that's a lie. Because I remember I don't want to expose my mother to
That's the truth, Daisy.
Okay. Listen, I don't need to.
Go check her. Hold on, Daisy. Go check her TikTok, and then he deleted everything. He has a control of that.
Let me check. I'm gonna check real quick. Give me 1 second.
The YouTube account, she has no access on that. She lost that access. Okay. But I'm talking about.
So can I bring him up so he can apologize to you? That's my question.
No, it's not about that. First, we gotta fix something real quick before he come up.
Yeah.
Give me 1 second.
I mean, these are just lies, and I don't want to expose my mother. I don't want to say anything more about my mom.
No, it's not.
It will just be.
Daisy, you are not listening to me, please. Let me check something real quick, and I'll let you know. I will understand what you were talking about. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna check everything here real quick. Real quickly,
Yeah.
you used to play with Amharic music. You used to play with Oromiya music. You used to play with.
What does that matter? If someone wants to use Tigrinya music, go play that. Like, what are we talking about? This is.
Wait, can you listen for a minute? Let me check. No, this is Amarinya. ይኸውልሽ ቲና አንዴ ልንገርሽ። ይኸውልሽ this is Amarinya.
One.
በጎንደር ነው የምጨፍረው። አንድ ድልት ተደርጓል ብለሻል። አንዴ
እሱን አይደለም ቲክታክ አድርገው።
ይሄ ደግሞ ሌላ ሚውዚክ ነው። አንዴ ቆይ ቲና አንዴ ፕሊዝ። ይሄ አማርኛ ነው። ቆይ አንዴ ፕሊዝ። ያልሽውን ነገር እዚሁ መነጋገር ስላለብን ነው።
No, you're doing a wrong thing. That's not what it is.
This is what you said, right?
No, listen, that's you to the TikTok account.
ይሄ አማርኛ አይደለም።
Listen again. You're taking a wrong thing. እሱን አይደለም የምናወራው። እሱ ድሮ የተቀረጸ ነው ከኔ በፊት።
No, it's not.
Okay, listen. ቲክታክ አካውንቷን ቼክ ካደረግ ብዙ ሰዎች ስንት መቶ ሺህ ብር የከፈሉበት አድቨርታይዝመንት ገብቶ ዲሊት አድርጎታል። እሱን ጠይቃት። why she deleted it?
Okay, I'm going to ask you, Daisy. He deleted the one you promoted with other ones. A lot of views you have. He deleted some of your music, right?
What happened?
Who deleted my music? What?
No. The advertisements on your TikTok, what happened to them?
Does this have to do what? So if I
can you answer
like,
directly, please, Daisy? Can you answer directly, please?
Yes, I will. Yeah.
Okay, she's
so
asking
you're
a
asking
question.
me.
Okay, let me ask you. There is an advertisement you did.
Yes.
And you posted on your TikTok. What happened to those videos? Can you explain that, please?
There was two advertisement videos. Yes, I deleted it because I didn't.
Tina, can you stop, please? Wait, let her answer.
Okay.
Thank you. Go ahead.
There was two, like, I don't know why this is getting brought up. Like, it has nothing to do with anything.
Answer the question, please.
Okay, there was two advertisements on my TikTok for like two business promotions by Ethiopia. I deleted it because I didn't like the way I looked in them. Why does anybody care?
I mean, they paid for you, right?
No. We posted them on YouTube. Like, we did a lot of things for them. They were on YouTube as well. We didn't have to post them on YouTube. We posted them on YouTube. They were on my page for like a month, like a month. It was on my, I didn't post it like back to back and then delete it. I didn't do that. No.
Daisy, the point is, does he have access to your account? Is he the one making you delete it?
I'm the one who deleted it. I deleted it. Me.
So he didn't tell you to delete, like any of your
videos? What is this Wishatam? Like, this is... No, because I'm really about to expose... Like, I don't want to expose her, but like, it's...
So how does she know then? I mean, the way you look, you posted for a month.
She's lying. She's a liar. Period. The whole family knows she's a liar. It's like, come on. She told you I take medication yesterday. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Why'd she tell you that?
You ask her. She told me that. That's
Mom,
why.
Why did you tell him that I take medication? Why'd you tell him that when that's a lie? Why'd you tell him that? Why'd you take my passport yesterday? Why are you stalking me? Yes, you're my mom, but you need to chill. I deleted my post. Why do you guys care if I delete something on my profile? What does that have to do with any of you? My mom does not like Alex because he's Tigray. That's it. She doesn't care. She said, oh yeah, go marry, go date someone, go out with some boys in America. Why do I care about political things? Why? Love is love. That's my mom. I respect her. I want her to be in peace with him. I don't want tribal conflicts. My mom damaged me. This whole life, like this whole entire life, I'm trying to keep my mouth shut because I'm trying to have respect for her. But when I'm just looking stupid, I'm looking stupid in front of all these people. Like, what? Come on. It's not right. It's not right. Yes, she's my mother. Yes, everyone needs to respect her. Nobody needs to talk about my mom on social media. Everyone, even the people that's my friends that I don't even know, the people on social media stop talking about my mom. This is a mistake. This is me and her mistake for being on social media. That's our mistake. But
so the main reason that she don't like the guy is because he's Tigray.
Yes, she told me. She said, go out with American boys. She said, why do I need to be with a Tigray?
Yeah,
she said
I don't think Daisy's lying about this, Tina.
I swear to God.
I mean, if you got any problem with Tigray people, I understand. You got every right.
Yes, I understand. Politics, I understand. Okay, I understand there's so much things that I don't understand. I didn't grow up around it, that I didn't lose anybody. I totally understand that. But I don't have to have that same mindset, period. I don't have to, and I don't care what anybody says.
Okay,
I don't.
So, Tina, can you unmute and talk about this one?
I don't care what anybody says. The comments, I don't care.
She don't take medication at all. She doesn't take any medication. The other thing is, the only problem you got with him is because he's Tigray. Can you explain that?
And that's why I'm trying to bring him up so he can explain himself, and he needs to apologize to my mom. I know that's, I understand he said what he said to her. I want him to apologize to her, but I want to bring him up. So can I do that?
Yeah, you can.
Thank you. By the way, my relationship is nobody's business. It's not my, it's nobody's business for anybody to tell me not to be with someone because this politics, this person doesn't like you.
She got his phone number. My thing is first, where does she get the phone number from? His phone number.
She tracked my phone.
I see.
She tracked my phone. She tracked everything. That's why I'm in the process of getting a new phone. I have that all figured out.
Okay.
But I don't care what the comments say. I'm at the end of the day, I can love who I want. That's nobody's business. As much as you guys tell me.
Amora, why you dissing her mom?
ሰላም አይቀድምም። ሰላም ወገን እንዴት ናችሁ? ምን አልከኝ?
ኦኬ ሰላም። ለምንድን ነው ከእናቷ ጋር ይቅርታ፣ በአማርኛ ላውራ። ለምንድን ነው ከእናቷ ጋር በዚህ ደረጃ ጸብ ውስጥ የገባኸው? ቮይስ ሞዴሎች ሰምቻለሁ። እውነት ለመናገር እሷም ልትናገር ትችላለች። ጥያቄው ምንድን ነው? በመጀመሪያ ደረጃ